What's up, y'all? It's your girl Jasmine, and I am back with another video. In this video, we'll be doing a closure sew-in. So on my last closure sew-in video, we got a lot of comments, and the comments was basically telling me to slow the video down. We're really trying to see what you're doing, okay? So in this video, I have slowed it down so that you can see how I sewed down this closure without using any adhesive. I do not like to use adhesive for my closure sew-ins because I feel like it's just too much maintenance for the client. They don't like it, I don't like it, and you know what I'm saying? We're just not gonna do it. So this is a closure sew-in using no adhesive. She did get some curly hair, and she bought it from the hair store. And I'm gonna be honest with y'all, that hair was good. The hair was good. I really want to talk about the lace. The lace was great. And I was actually shocked because she bought it from the beauty supply store. So, you'd be a little skeptical. Like, is this lace gonna hit? Is it gonna be brown? Is it gonna be green? No, it actually was. It said HD lace. Now, I ain't gonna go as far as to say it was pure HD lace, but it was some good lace. It laid across her skin perfectly. I did put a little bit of makeup under the bottom just to make sure that it blended well. But other than that, it was some good lace. So I will show y'all in a second what hair she purchased from the beauty supply store, and she brought that in, and we just went ahead and sewed this hair in for her. She said curly hair was easier for her. This is her first time coming to me, and yeah, we got it popping as we normally do at the Pretty Lounge. You know what I'm saying? So per usual, if you are not subscribed to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, okay, because if you got some concerns, I want to address those too. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, go ahead and drop that down in the comment section. I'll be sure to get back to you. But we are doing a middle part closure sew-in with no adhesive. And yeah, just stay tuned. I love y'all. I really do. We are growing a beautiful family here on YouTube. And if this is your first time viewing one of my videos, make sure that you are subscribed so you can see what's popping at the Pretty Lounge every Sunday at noon. Okay? So I'm just showing y'all my braid down, and just pay attention. This is a lot of good information, a lot of good visuals in this video so that you can see exactly how to sew down a closure using no adhesive, and you can just see what I do at my shop. This is one of my highly requested styles. The girls are loving closure sew-ins right now, and yeah, it gets the job done. All right, thank y'all so much for tuning in, and yeah, let me know if you got any questions, comments, concerns. All right, I'll see y'all next week. Bye-bye.
Yeah.